Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to make a quick and simple crochet flower. First, we will make a slip knot, then chain 6. But make sure these first chains are loose because we will slip stitch in first chain to form a ring. After that, we will continue by chain 4, followed by a triple crochet, which is also called a treble. We will repeat triple crochet 2 more times. Then we will finish this petal with 4 chain and slip stitch those chains in the ring. In total, in the first petal we will have 4 chain, 3 triple crochet and 4 chain. We will repeat this process 5 more times. For this pattern, I am using 3.5 millimeter crochet hook with a suitable yarn. At the final petal, we will slip stitch the last 4 chain to the ring . You can chain 1 to secure your work and cut the yarn.